Hi, James here with Blue Horizon Insurance. So we're doing a set of insurance videos trying to talk to you about insurance terms so you really know what you're looking for when you're shopping around. And of course, when you do shop around, always shop with an agency like mine, an independent agency that represents lots of the top insurance carriers so you can get lots of good comparable quotes, oftentimes saving thousands. But today what we're going to talk about is what is liability insurance. So in a nutshell, liability insurance is to pay for what you're liable for, so damage you cause to other people. Most states have a minimum amount of liability insurance that you're required to have to drive, which makes a lot of sense. Say you're driving down the road, if you run into somebody, if you hit them hard, you could hurt them bad, and that wouldn't be good at all. And you need to make sure that you have enough insurance coverage to take care of that accident and to make sure those people are whole again. For instance, if you hit somebody, if you've got the state minimum insurance in, say, Washington State, which is $25,000 per person, $50,000 per accident for bodily injury, and $10,000 in property damage, your insurance will pay up to $25,000 to fix one person's body or their doctor's bills, $50,000 for everybody that's hurt in that car accident, and only $10,000 for property damage or to replace that vehicle that you hit. Well, let's assume someone gets hurt back real bad. You can go over $25,000 pretty darn easily in hospital visits, doctor's visits, follow-up, bodily injury, things like that. But $10,000, as you can imagine, many people's cars out there are worth more than $10,000. So you need to make sure you never take the state minimum insurance. Unless, of course, it's the only thing you can afford, only thing you can get then. If you hit somebody's vehicle that's, say, worth $25,000, you're only going to have enough insurance to pay for $10,000 of that accident. Then you have to come up with the money on your own, have your wages garnished, get sued, lose your assets, lose your home. All sorts of terrible things can happen, and it's very inexpensive to bump up the insurance amount for those amounts. Oftentimes, the difference between $100,000 and $10,000 is only $1 or $2 a month extra in cost. So never ask your agent for the least expensive insurance you can get. Now, of course, you can have uninsured motorist, you can have full coverage or comprehensive and collision coverage. There's other coverages you can have, but we're just talking about liability insurance, which is what allows you to drive down the road and takes care of the people that, God forbid, you had an accident to hit. For more videos, more interesting investment ideas, insurance ideas, please subscribe to our channel here. Also, go to our website anytime for a quote with many of the top-rated insurance carriers. The link's right there in your video. Thank you and have a great day.